Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com. It's Thursday, December 11th. Well, the backing and filling, or if you want to call it consolidation phase, still going on. We spoke yesterday about the fact that it could take a couple more days of this backing and filling. And we also talked about the fact that it could even start to drift a little bit backwards on the downside, which it did today. My short-term indicator closed out quite oversold, so sometime tomorrow I'll be looking for the market to rally back up. But I don't know if the consolidation phase is over or not. I still think it probably could take a few more days. But while the market is doing that, individual stocks more and more are starting to build good-looking little bases. Finally, we're getting some stability in some of these charts, and some of them look like they want to move higher. And I have one new idea tonight. It's Advanced Micro Devices, AMD. We've been in it before. We made some money, and the stock looks like it wants to do a little bit better. Certainly looks a lot cheap. Looks very cheap to me. It's down in the $2 range. Who would ever thought? But it's there. So we'll take a look at that chart. I'll show you how we're going to take that idea and turn it into some money. And then we'll do a quick review of some of the major indexes, although not a lot's changed. But I just want to keep you abreast as to what we can expect over the next couple of days. So without further ado, let's go take a look at Advanced Micro Devices. Okay, here we have a daily bar chart of Advanced Micro Devices. The symbol is AMD. Trades quite a bit of volume. Today's volume was a little over 10 million shares. So this is a cheap stock that, if you want to take a big position in it, it's certainly liquid enough to handle more than 1,000 shares, so to speak. But anyway, it does trade a lot of volume. This is a call on the long side. I'll be looking to buy this stock right about where it closed, $2.20. I mean, if it pulls back a little bit, that would be fine. My target on the upside is $6.45. It's this old high area where it came down from. And the sell stop area would be a close below $1.92 right there. Now let me show you. I also want to point out why this area down here is important to me and it catches my eye. First, we're going to have to turn this into a 9-day chart. Each bar is going to represent 9 days for a moment. And I want to take you back to 1990. Some of you probably weren't even around then, but this stock is back down to the low it made, its all-time low in 1990, which is right here. And now we'll go back to a daily. And you can see that line comes out right here. This is why this is a key area. Not only is it a key area because it's the 1990 all-time low, we have a ascending triangle forming. Let me trace this out for you. Okay, so there's our ascending triangle. So let me recap this. This is Advanced Micro Devices. It's a call on the long side. And if it works out the way my eye sees it, we could probably make ourselves about $4 on this trade. I just want to mention that there's so many of these quality companies that are just trading at such unbelievably low prices that you need to go back, 20 years to find out the last time they sold down here. So, I just feel that the market is starting to offer some really unusual opportunities. Let me put it that way. Okay, let's go check out the major indexes. We'll do a quick review, and we'll see what's going on there. Okay, here's the Dow Jones daily bar chart, and you can see today pulled back a little bit. we expect this to consolidate, and there's even a possibility that the market may even have to come back down and touch this low again. I'd rather not see it happen, but I'm prepared for it to happen. Now let's remind everybody what we're actually looking for. We're actually looking for a reverse head and shoulders pattern to continue to be formed. This being the left side of the shoulder, and this being the head, and we're still in the midst of building this right shoulder. And the reason why I feel pretty confident that that's exactly how it's going to turn out is because the number of individual stocks that I look at, how technically sound they are becoming. So there's more and more technical strength being shown to me in individual issues, and that's why I feel pretty confident that this low here probably should not get violated. Of course, anything has happened, but as of right now, all systems are still go. So let's move on. Okay, here we have the Russell 2000. This pulled back a little bit more than the Dow did, but there's two looks that I find encouraging, and that's the fact that this is still in a ascending triangle formation. And I think we're just pulling back into the formation. And the other key area, though, we always have to stay abreast of key areas. Key area that we do not want to see violated is that low right there. Okay, let's take a look at the QQQs. Okay, and finally we have the QQQQs, which is the top 100 NASDAQ stocks. As we pull back and consolidate, and maybe drift down just a little bit lower, the key area here is this low. And, and there's a possibility we may have to come down and test it. I'd rather not see it happen, but it could happen. But I still see it as just a consolidation phase. Once it's over, the market should rally back up and take out that high there. That's our next. After this pullback of consolidation is over, the next move the market needs to make is a breakout above this high here. But this may go on for a few more days before we get any move to the upside with any kind of conviction. Don't forget, as this is going on, individual stocks are starting to look pretty good to me. Okay, that's my view of the market till tomorrow, which I'm, like I said, my short-term indicator is quite oversold. So some point tomorrow I'll be looking for some kind of a rally going. Okay, till tomorrow. This is TK signing off.